Hey, you guys. So I am back, girl. Don't pay attention to my hand. My nails was popping off, but by the end, I'm going to have it together. But I'm back, y'all, with a new Shein wig. You know the girls been at Shein getting their wigs together, so I went over there for y'all. So y'all didn't have to try it first. I tried it first. So I went and wanted to try something new. I got this 13 by 4. It gave me very much Beyonce tease type of wig, but I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and try it out. So this wig, like I said, it's the Beyonce like highlights type of vibe. I got 180% density and it is 30 inches. This wig was super, super thick, honey. It was not playing any games. And altogether, the wig only ended up being $286.30. So I thought that was a super big discount because, honey, I don't know no wig that's $286 that's 30 inches, but go off. So this is my second time getting a wig from Shein. So I honestly was kind of knew what to expect because I feel like the last wig I got was pretty good quality. So I tried this one out and it did its big one. Now with my process, y'all know I do the same process every single time. I do the ball cap method. Now I have been trying out new methods of whether I want to put the makeup on the ball cap first before I put the glue down, or do I want to put the glue down first and then the coloring of the cap. But I will tell you, from using previous experiences, I would highly recommend putting the cap down, putting the powder on the cap, and then also putting the glue on top of that. I don't know why, but it just kind of makes it lay a little bit better. And this is a secret I found out. But as I install my wigs, I keep it pushing, keep it moving with new techniques. And when I figure them out, I'm definitely going to come share them with y'all. And as E. Kane off TikTok says, honey, you got to make sure the glue is clear. But I was kind of in a little rush, so it was kind of semi-whitish clear. But I was like, you know what, let's just go off. So with this, I'm just making sure everything is fitting seamless and being on my head. Now, I will say that the lace was transparent. That is something I really, really love. I need my lace to be transparent. If you want your wig to really melt, the lace is a key component to that. And I'm just going to go ahead and put the band on for at least like an hour and just fool around, not really do too much. Now, as I've gotten older, y'all, I'm not even going to lie, I will apologize, but I won't apologize, is the fact that I don't really like too much of the crazy hairstyles anymore. Every once in a while, I'll pop out with a new little style. But I think traditionally now, I like wigs with no baby hairs. And I also like them with just to have like, you know, a little sideburn if that. And I think it just makes it look a little bit more realistic. Now with this one, the wig did come down a little bit low as far as like a widow's peak. But I decided to go ahead and cut that off. And it didn't take too much to do that. Also, I want to let you guys know this wig did come pre-plucked, and I went through and plucked maybe just like little sparse pieces. It wasn't even much. I probably was only plucking for maybe like a minute because y'all know I really hate the pluck, but this wig pretty much came plucked and it's all. I didn't really have to do too much to it, so I was super excited about that as well. I definitely feel like the wig to me was worth it. It was very full. It was very thick. I got a lot of compliments about it. I don't know if it was the hair color, the texture, or what it was, but it was like I got so many different compliments. But I will tell you guys, if you are looking for something that gives you a more feminine look, I would highly recommend highlights or anything that is like of a lighter color, like a blonde or honey brown or honey blonde, like golden. All types of color like that will give you a softer look than the traditional black bust down hair. And I also feel like curls have a big component to do with that as well. Now, this was curly hair. This, like I said, this is my first time getting curly hair from Shein. So I was like, let's see what it's going to do. And it was very minimal work to it, to be honest. I brushed it out just to see how big it went. And then, oh, hold on. Let me tell y'all, I did notice that I put my foundation on a little bit dark on the lace. So I did go back in with a lighter powder and it just made it lighten right back up. So that was kind of my fault. So be careful of what powder you're using. I used my summer color powder on me and it was a little too dark. So then I had to go back in with the winter color that I am powder and use that. So keep that in mind because, honey, it is a thing. But with this hair, it was very low maintenance. All I did was put some water on it and I put a little bit, just a teeny bit of gel. I don't even really use too many leave-in conditioner products at all. And you see the hair, it kind of just reverts back to the natural state, brush through it and wet it up, and then it pretty much eats. I think that this hair is very good for if you are a beginner or even somebody that's been wearing hair and you just want some good quality hair real quick for cheap. Hey, it worked for me. It ended up melting. The lace is lacing. The girls is giving. And it is very full. I'm not going to hold you. I was super shocked at how full this hair was because I'm like, girl, Shein, do your big one, yeah. But comment below and let me know what you guys think about it. Also, if you got some more tips and tricks for me to try as far as wigs, let me know. And if you guys are a baby hair girl, or if you're not, let me know that too. Because one thing about it, girl, I'm getting grown. Them baby hairs are childish now. Let me stop, because I've been in have baby hairs in about 2-3 weeks. But it won't be on a regular basis. I promise you that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And y'all know I love y'all. See ya. Mwah. Bye, babies.